Well, our storm is over. It was a good one. It was a good one, and we're able to get all the cars plowed thanks to Donnie's tractor. Mr. Crow's up there. He's waiting for his dinner. I got that's his dinner there. And the snow fell off the roof last night when the temperature came up, and Connor was sound asleep on the big chair. Well, you would have saw something come out of that chair and down the stairs like a shot. It just sounded like an earthquake. And there's the result. So anyway, the front door's out of reach. So we just got this one in the patio door, but you can't get down the stairs. I even plow out for the oil man. So a lot came down, and then it switched to ice pellets and then rain, and that made it worse. And as soon as I took my snowblower out, I broke another shear pin. That was my last one, so I got to pick up some more tomorrow at the dealer. Once I got the shear pin back, it was okay. Anyway, it was the back shear pin this time instead of the front one. So, she didn't use that much gas, so I was surprised. But Donnie did a real good job of doing this. It was pretty thick here. He's up there. He's up in the tree. This is some cereal that my sister gave me the other night. It's brown sugar shreddies. Her husband didn't like it, and I don't like it either, so them fellas will eat it. They're hungry. Anyway, this is what it looks like. The roads are plowed. Donnie got his tractor put away. But I couldn't even, I was invited over to supper last night, but the snow drifts were so big I couldn't get over. It's, that snow there is up over my waist, right there behind the barn, and that's the way we usually go for a shortcut, but that was out of the question. You're wondering about my breathing, that's the cold air gets me. I gotta take one of my puffers when I come in. And the deer route, they dug out all the apples. God love them. They dug through that snow and got the apples. So I'm going to throw some more out. Here's Mr. Squirrel. You're looking for seeds, are you? I haven't got any out yet, bud. I can't see if I got them in the frame or not. I'm hoping I have. Anyway, so this was kind of narrow here, but the snow was so thick, and Donnie's rig was slipping and sliding, and he's got ice chains on too. Anyway, she's wide enough to get the cars in and out. And he cleaned out the mailbox here, and then I went with a snowblower and I cleaned it a little more. I had to dig this out; it was buried. So that's my mailbox. I used to have my name on it. I don't think I got my name on the other side, do I? No. I used to have my name on it. And the raccoon side is still visible. Only the only trouble is there's no raccoons crossing. With all this snow, they'll stay hibernating for quite a while now. Well, the snow didn't come off that side. It came off the other side. Boy, did it come down, and poor Connor. He got so scared. Yeah, crows are up the tree. They're waiting for me to go in the house. There's Donnie out there. Yeah, snow come off this side. Well, he's looking at his truck. Yeah. He must be all done too. Anyway, we're going to shut her down, and I'll put this out. There's my trailer. Ron's son won it the other day, but it wasn't buried too bad. We could have got it out, but to get all that snow off it. Oh, he's going down chicken coop. Yeah, check on the chickens. So this is a winter wonderland, and the temperature's cold. Alrighty, we're going to send this up on the internet, and you fellas in Florida could be lucky that you're down there. And check on the cats. That nameplate was on my office door at Empire Company, so I got that back and I stuck it on there. Oh, the furnace is going. Who's in my chair? You better not be in my chair. I'll get these boots off. There's Charlotte. Hello, Charlotte. Are you in my chair? You got your own chair. What are you doing in my chair? Connor, you know you're not allowed in there. You got your own chair over there that I had all reupholstered for you. Cost me $400. Yeah. Why are you in my new chair? Get out. Get out. Get out of my chair. Come on. Get out of that chair. Connor, do you hear me? Do you hear what I'm saying? Get out of my chair. Get out. Connor, out. See how he listens? He don't listen. He's the boss. Aren't you, Connor? You the boss? He's going back to sleep. He slept in the haunted house last night for 6 hours. I'm gonna get you. Get out of that chair. Get out. Come on. No, you're not gonna move. My stomach's growling. I'm starving. All right, people. We'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.